The 1972 Datsun 240Z by Kindig-it Design, a breathtaking transformation of a beloved classic into a modern masterpiece. This stunning build combines the iconic design of the original 240Z with cutting-edge engineering and bespoke craftsmanship, creating a car that is both nostalgic and forward-thinking. At the heart of this 1972 Datsun 240Z lies a powerful RB25 inline six-cylinder engine with a turbo delivering 600 horsepower, impressive performance, and thrilling acceleration. The engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission, ensuring smooth and precise gear changes. The suspension system features Arizona Z-Car adjustable aluminum control arms front and rear, a Q45 center section, and hardened rear axles. The Tokico adjustable coilovers provide a perfect balance of comfort and handling, making this 240Z a joy to drive on any road. Wheels and tires. The 240Z rides on custom one-off ET 8-spoke 17-inch wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich KDW2 tires. The car features a custom front chin spoiler, a matte hotch gas cap, and a one-piece rear bumper that has been chromed. The front bumper overlay is also chrome, adding a touch of elegance to the overall design. The body is finished in PPG 2006 Ford GT titanium paint, a stunning color that accentuates the car's sleek and aggressive stance. Interior, luxury and technology combined. Step inside the 240Z and you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with modern technology. The interior features JS custom interiors, black leather seats, complemented by velour carpet, and an ISIS wire system. The odometer gauges provide precise information at a glance, while the vintage air system ensures comfort in all weather conditions. The car is also equipped with a high-performance Hertz and Kicker audio system, delivering crystal-clear sound quality for your favorite tunes.